blogging for beginners a straightforward way to start. As more people become familiar with the internet, the popularity of blogs continues to rise. Once considered the perfect avenue for expressing one's point of view or opinions, they now provide huge amounts of information specifically targeted to an audience. Many blogs are updated daily, and are used as a way to help promote businesses and ideas. They work as an ideal marketing tool. Starting a blog. The first step in starting a blog is to determine exactly what information it will dispense. It is imperative to start with a solid idea, and attempt to be as specific in detail as possible. The blog will need to be distinctive in order to stand out from all of the competition, in any category. The planning process. You will first need to determine exactly what type of blog you will have, and the number of pages that will display. Typically, the blogging site will have a homepage, where every recently updated post will be displayed. The planning process should include exactly what type of content you will acquire, write or create. Producing content. Successful blogs start with a good foundation of high-quality content. Because you are interested in the subject, you can begin writing blogging material, or developing videos. Attempt to produce at least 10 different posted entries for the blog before launching the site. Design the blog. Many blogging sites offer a free-to-use dashboard and text editor that makes it easy to create your own blog. You have the ability to select the colors, the font size, the font type, and background pictures or images. Remember while developing the blog, that your target audience will be viewing exactly what you create. Advertising the site. The other way the people will know that the blogging site exists is to promote it. This can be accomplished in a variety of ways, including using social media. You can promote your blogging site through your Facebook account, Twitter account, and even on YouTube and Instagram. Updating daily. Until you obtain a huge audience, you will likely need to update your blogging site once a day. As the site becomes more popular, you can either boost the daily post to more than once a day, or reduce the amount to only 1 or 2 times a week. Based on the type of content, and the target audience, you can easily gain more visitors by offering content of value. Blogging sites are a two-way street. Allow every viewer or visitor to participate in the process by allowing them to leave comments. We also recommend you check out this free offer, the 5-Minute Profit Sites. Click the link below this video in the description box today for more details.